Let's see how to write male and female symbols in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now to type in both male and female symbols, simply head on over to the Insert tab. Now click on Symbols, click on More Symbols. Now make sure that you are in the Miscellaneous Symbols subset. And right here, you'll find that you have both the female and male symbols. Now to insert those into your document, simply click on what symbol you want to insert and click on the Insert button. And you now have both male and female symbols in your document. Now, another way that you can do this, and is probably faster, is by looking at the shortcut key at the bottom right here. So for the female symbol, it is 2640, and for the male symbol, it is 2642. So let's go ahead and try it out. Type in 2640 and click on Alt X on your keyboard. That should turn it into the female symbol. Now let's type in the code for the male symbol. Now click Alt X. And now you have a male symbol. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.